Welcome back to the VST channel. Two big updates, guys, and I'm gonna start with the first one. So apparently this morning I got this update for my Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. So the update is AYCD. It's still One UI 6.0, but it's almost 1000 megabytes, guys. It's almost 1G. And the interesting thing is that when I go inside in my Samsung Watch, I'm not able to see any new features, which is a bit weird, but I mean, this is how Samsung is doing it. Also, when you try to check what is new, they'll not give much information besides the usual stuff. All right, so you can click here and then you can visit and see, all right, we just have the system stability and reliability, improved security, and of course the device is protected with improved security. So it's still the same Android Wear 6. You see here Android version U, Android Wear 6 before and now, and the only change apparently is AXL1 was the old update with the security patch level from last year, so now at least we are getting the new security patch. So as you can see, I've installed this update and I'm just gonna try to give you guys a sneak preview, but nothing really is new here, right? It's still the same watch. It's very fluid, by the way. I never had problems with this, and honestly I am actually quite happy with the performance of the watch. I've been with this watch inside the sea. I've been wearing this for like almost 1 year because I just bought it almost on like day one. It is really a very good and stable product. And of course I do have here also Google Pay, I have Spotify, you know, it's just a very good watch. And by the way, I still do wear my Ultra Human Air Ring, guys, so expect a full-blown review. I'm just like testing this for like almost 3 months right now, but I have something else that I want to show you guys, and I believe that some of you might be here for that. So let me share something with you. This here is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, now running on the latest One UI 7 AYD9, which people are calling the first stable One UI 7 update. And guys, here we do have the weather. When I open the weather, we do have the very famous Samsung Weather Widget. This is a nice looking weather widget. You can see with all the information here and with a lot of information captured on a whole single screen that you can scroll, and also with the new nice and fancy animation. But it's already One UI 8 lag times, and here guys, all right, let me share this with you guys. This is supposed to be the weather widget for the One UI 8, and honestly I cannot confirm, but I can also not deny this, but I can really see that this thing has been upgraded, right? It does still have the same information, but when you start it, the animation is just so dope. I mean, it's probably even like a video, or at least a very upgraded animation, and we can also tell that the versions are different. So this is the new thing here. The version is 172012, and the regular one from the One UI 7 is 1701.98. So this thing here is for sure a more recent version, and people are saying this is the weather widget from One UI 8, and it really looks dope. Now let me add in some more cities so that we can really check the animation. It's the same guy here, guys, so that's funny, right? So if it's like 38 degrees, right, so okay, this guy now wears a shirt, but then this guy wears, yeah, just a t-shirt, and you can see it's actually not that bad. And I'm really hoping to get this very soon also on the One UI 7 because it looks really so dope. Okay, I'm also going to add Cairo here so that we can experience the differences. All right, and this is gonna be now. All right, see here guys, this guy, and now this guy. All right, Paphos. Oh, okay, this is interesting. Let me add this to the One UI 8 widget and see what happens. Oh, beautiful animation, guys. This is really exquisite. Let me try to show you. All right, this is the sunny weather. We have this nice guy walking here, listening to music. Woo! Oh, we have already some sweat on the forehead. Oh my God, waving with the hand. This is here like 18 Celsius. We got a shirt over the t-shirt, and this is when the weather is bad. Absolutely love it, guys. And guys, the good thing is it is not replacing your current widgets. How do we know this? When you scroll down, we can see those are all the widgets from the current weather from One UI 8, and this new weather, because apparently it's a clone app, you can see from the icon, it offers these widgets. All right, this, and I kind of like put them here on the screen, and you can, by the way, do all the customizations. So if you go to settings, you can also remove the background, yeah, and you can probably just directly use that if you are already running on a One UI 8. And what about the settings? When we click here, all right, we have select settings, units, auto refresh, show weather on app screen notification. It's pretty much the same thing. What about the standard one? All right, let's check here. All right, I'm gonna click the settings. Okay, it is pretty much the same thing. Let's check the current widgets. We go here inside the settings unit. Okay, the local weather, auto refresh. It's pretty much the same, but of course here we're using the older version 170198. And if I am to open the new widget and show you once more this very nice, I would say, and stylish animations with the background, this is absolutely dope, guys. And we click here, we can pretty much see it's the same, but we do have a newer version. So again, short video, 2 important updates. I still need to test this guy here and share with you my findings. And guys, yeah, say hello to One UI 8 Leaks. We're starting.